Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file a revised return after getting a refund. Start by gathering Form 1040X, your original return, refund notice, and any corrected documents. Calculate the corrected tax, interest, and any repayment amount clearly, and write a concise explanation for each change. Choose e-file if available or mail to the IRS address for amended returns, and always keep copies for your records and future questions. Gather your corrected numbers and work line by line with the original return to avoid mistakes. Use exact digits for credits and payments and show how you reach the revised tax. Prepare supporting forms like W-2, 1099, or schedules that changed, and staple copies to your amended return when mailing. Double-check math, include a precise explanation for each adjustment, and retain copies for at least 3 years in case the IRS asks. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more practical tax walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a smart helper that vacuums while you sort documents, and it even takes voice commands so you can keep both hands free. I find it handy during busy filing seasons, and it speeds up cleanup between forms. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. File on time by checking the limits for amended returns and refunds to avoid losing credits. Choose e-file if your software and situation qualify, as it is faster and reduces errors. For mailed returns, use certified mail or tracking and include copies of all changed forms. Be prepared for several weeks or months of processing, and check status online so you can respond quickly to any IRS request for more information.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.